Hi guys, welcome to Phil's Droid. In today's video, I'll quickly show you the unboxing of Urban Nova hair dryer. I have ordered this from Amazon.in for 550 rupees. Let me just unbox this and explain you the features of it. Before I start this video, I kindly request you please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit a thumbs up button. Let's start the video. So guys, now I have unboxed this. Okay, as you can see, the box is well packed, and you can see here this comes with a 2000 watts, and the company claims the lifespan of this hair dryer is prolonged by 2 times than the normal one. And also the cost of this product is 999. However, we are getting some discounts in Amazon, and also it says this hair dryer is suitable for both men and women, and it supplies hot and cold air. So let me just unbox this and see what exactly the contents are there in the box. Guys, now I have just opened this. Okay, in the box we have got an hair dryer along with the 2 air concentrator and a manual. That's all I can see. Nothing else is there in this box. By looking at this manual, I could see they have just provided high level instructions these are the 2 air concentrator, and if we look at this hair dryer, here we have a cool shot button. This is for cool shot, and here we have got a button for hot and cold air button, and this is to reduce the speed. If you want to increase the speed, you can increase it or decrease it. And this is for inlet air, and this is where you can fit in the concentrator to reduce the air, and also you can make the air available at a particular location. So this is not a foldable, guys. This is a stiffed one, and also by looking at this manual, I can see there is no contact number provided for customer related queries or anything. Only thing is support at hana.in. This is the email ID wherein if you face any problem, you have to just mail to this email ID. That's all. So I don't think there is any warranty associated with this product. But anyway, let me just turn it on and then show you how exactly it works. Build quality of this product is looks pretty decent, and it is a little bit heavy in weight, and as you can see here, some fan is provided, and this is for inlet air supply, and the handle also looks pretty good, wherein you can hold and you can dry your hair. So now I'm gonna turn it on with the power supply. So now I'm gonna turn it on, and we'll see how the noise is. Okay, so as you guys can see, here are the controls. Okay, this is for hot air, and this is for cold air, and this is to turn off this hair dryer, and if you go for 1 level or 2 level like that, and this is for hot and cold shot. So now I'm gonna turn it on, and I'll show you in first level how the sound is. The sound is pretty loud. Now I'm getting hot air, and this is the second level, and this is the maximum. Okay, so suppose if I want to get a cold air, what I should do is I just have to go to the cold level settings, and I just have to turn it on like this. So now I'm getting a hot air. Now I'm getting a cold air. So that's all, guys. So this is all about this Urban Nova hair dryer, and if you like this video, please hit a like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.